back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I am really excited because I'm about to unbox and share with you guys one of my favorite subscriptions. And I say my favorite because it's actually one of my husband and Christopher's favorites, and that is Variety Fun. They love the snacks in this box so much. I don't get many of these snacks to hide into my mom's spot because they get this box as soon as I'm done filming. They attack it. So I'm going to tell you all about Variety Fun, and then we'll see what goodies we got for October 2019. So Variety Fun is obviously a snack subscription. They deliver an assortment of your favorite chips, cookies, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts all in one box. They have over 500 brands that they work with, and you can choose the classic snacks, and they do have a healthy snack box as well. So I think that is really awesome. And you can also choose bi-monthly. You could get it monthly, or not bi-monthly. You can get it monthly or bi-weekly. So you can get this once a month or twice a month, which is awesome. And it's a great way to have snacks for school, just because to have snacks at the office, it's October. You could order one of these and have this as your trick-or-treat pass out. Just saying. If you want to do something a little different, you know the kids are going to be loaded up on candy. Well, there may be some candy in here, but there may also be, you know, chips and cookies and different things, so they may really like that. So I think that's a great way to use this box. Just saying. So you can let's see. I'm actually looking at my notes and I do see bi-monthly. I know at one point it was bi-weekly as well, so maybe they have bi-monthly also, so you could get it every other month. And the fun box is $24.99, which is the one that I have that has over 40, or it has 40 snacks in it. And then the fit box, the healthy snack box, is $39.99 a box. It says, no more just crackers and applesauce. With Variety Fun, your kids get their choice of over 40 snacks in each box, and they might just save you one too. Maybe one or two. So I do have a promo code. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I definitely recommend it, you guys, because especially if you have kids, or even like I said, you know, for the office, if you want something for your trick-or-treaters that's different, this I think would be fantastic. Or just for yourself, just because you like snacks and you don't want to have to go pick out and you want a variety, then this is your box. So like I said, I'll put that link down below. I do also have a promo code, Southern Mom 20, which will actually get you 20% off your first box. So definitely, I'll put that down below for you. So yeah, let's get in here and see what we got for October. And y'all, first of all, before I even open this, I do not know how they get these snacks in this box, y'all. Seriously. Like, I will pull out these 40 different snacks and show you all of them, and I will not be able to get this back into this box because they have magic powers on their packing and I don't. So, all right. When we open it, what is this? Hi, happy snacking, hashtag Variety Fun partner. Yep, October box. So, all the taste, enjoy, explore, and then yum. All right. So, all right, let's just get started. So the first thing here, and I've got these before, these are so good. Christopher did let me try one. These are the Abby's cookies, chocolate chip. So there's those. Remy's Grams, these are cinnamon. Yum. Remy's Grams chocolates. They have with the Abby's cookies and shortbread. those I'm gonna have to, those are gonna be mine. We have the organic My Superhero cookies in Honey Heroes. The organic My Superhero, or My Super cookies in Chocolate Heroes. We have the Remy Grahams in Honey. We have some animal crackers. We have got an apple cinnamon Nutri-Grain bar. Yum. We've got some Cracker Jacks with a prize inside. We have got some Keebler bite-sized cookies with M&M minis. Some white cheddar cheeses. Yeah. We have some traditional Chex Mix. We have some Pringles. We have the original, and we actually have, ooh, cheddar cheese. Yum. All right. We have some hot fries. We have some original Cheez-Its. Some Goldfish. What is this? I've never seen this before. Nutri-Grain Bites, soft baked mini breakfast bar, strawberry blast. I've never seen this. That sounds amazing. All right, we got a couple of little Welch's fruit snacks. Oh, this is one of my favorites. The Pirate's Booty aged white cheddar. Oh, y'all, this is so good. That is definitely going to my mom hiding spot. We have a grape airhead. We have, oh, we have some sour Skittles. Yeah. We have got some Oreos. What is this? Oh, we got some Grandma's. These are vanilla sandwich cookies. Yum. Also from Grandma's, we have the two like peanut butter cookies. These are so good. They're always so soft and just delicious. We have a Rice Krispie treat. We have some of the blueberry Belvita biscuit cookie things. Breakfast biscuits. I was trying to think of the name. Those are really good. This is one of my favorites. The Nature Valley Crunchy, the oats and honey. Yum. Nature's Bakery Fig Bar in strawberry. Oh, and this is one of Christopher's favorites. Nature's Valley, or Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut Bar in pink with the peanuts. Yum. Oh, we got some Lorna Doone cookies. Yum, yum, yum. We got a Kashi Chocolate Almond Sea Salt Chewy Granola Bar. What? Y'all. We got Fiber One, a 70-calorie chocolate fudge brownie. Yes. We also got from Fiber One an oats and chocolate chewy bar. I like how it has a mix of some healthy, you know. We have the Quaker Chewy chocolate chip granola and the peanut butter and chocolate chip granola, which is going to be fantastic. And then we've got the Lance Toasty sandwich crackers. These are the, just like the regular crackers with peanut butter. And then we have the Lance sandwich crackers. These are the cheese crackers with the peanut butter. So that is everything in our box. Like I said, I won't be able to get this back into this box the way it came. I mean, I can definitely, you know, give it a shot, but it's not gonna happen. They have magical powers, I'm telling you. So let me know what you guys think down below. I love this subscription because the variety of the snacks, is always amazing. And you see, we have some healthy, we have some cookies, we have, you know, candy, we have crackers, we have chips, it's just the popcorn, you know, the hot fries, I'm looking, the goldfish, the Cheez-Its. It's just such a great variety, and they are obviously well-known brands of snacks. So we even got some fruit snacks. I just love this subscription, and I love that it does give the variety of different options of snacks. And you know, I mean, maybe you want some Oreos, but you don't want to go buy a whole pack, and this will suffice, because the next time you want a treat, you want some regular Cheez-Its, but you don't want a whole box. So that's one thing I love about this. So let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will put that link in that promo code down below for you guys. So definitely check it out, get you some snacks. Like I said, this would make a great box for trick-or-treating or for trick-or-treaters because again, it gives such a variety and something other than just candy. I mean, there is some candy in here if they want that, but there's other stuff too. So let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.